Air travel is a marvel of modern life, but behind every safe landing is a team you rarely see: air traffic controllers. While pilots and flight attendants are the public face of aviation, controllers are the unseen guardians, orchestrating the movement of thousands of planes every day. They manage takeoffs, landings, and the flow of aircraft through crowded skies, using a complex web of radar, communications, and strict procedures. From airport towers to regional centers and high-altitude en route facilities, controllers keep the system running smoothly. Every instruction they give is critical. Millions of passengers depend on their expertise. Yet, the technology supporting them is decades old, lagging far behind the advanced planes they guide. Much of the U.S. air traffic control system still relies on outdated hardware and software, creating growing risks as air traffic increases. The system is stretched to its limits, handling more flights than its designers ever imagined. Delays and cancellations cost billions each year, rippling through the economy. When the system falters, the impact is immediate and nationwide. Modernizing air traffic control isn't just about convenience, it's essential for safety and efficiency. The backbone of American aviation is aging, and incremental updates are no longer enough. A comprehensive overhaul is now a national imperative. The stakes are high. The safety of millions and the health of the economy depend on getting this right. The time to act is now. The core challenge? Age. The U.S. air traffic control system is built on technology from another era. Imagine running today's internet on dial-up. Controllers face a similar struggle, juggling old and new systems that don't always work together. Many critical components are so outdated that spare parts are scavenged from retired equipment or bought on secondary markets. Over half of the FAA's telecom systems are considered unsustainable, signaling a system-wide decay. Much of the network still relies on copper wiring, vulnerable to weather and interference. Unlike modern fiber optics, a single failure can trigger communication blackouts and ground stops, stranding thousands. Controllers lack real-time, comprehensive views of the airspace, forcing them to build in larger safety buffers and reducing capacity. Even on clear days, the system can't handle all scheduled flights, leading to chronic delays and cancellations. The inefficiency isn't just frustrating, it's a direct result of outdated infrastructure. The system is fundamentally mismatched with the demands of modern air travel. Without urgent upgrades, these vulnerabilities will only worsen. The need for modernization is critical. To address this crisis, Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy has asked Congress for an additional $10 billion to modernize air traffic control. This isn't the start of the effort. Congress has already allocated $12.5 billion to the NextGen program, but more is needed to finish the job. The new funding targets the most urgent needs, replacing failing hardware and developing advanced software. Recent system failures and near misses have made the stakes clear. Without investment, disruptions and risks will only grow. The goal is to shift from reacting to problems to preventing them, using modern technology and data analytics. This overhaul requires a fundamental re-engineering of the entire system. The $10 billion request is not a luxury. It's the price of progress and safety in the world's busiest airspace. The future of American aviation depends on it. The dangers of outdated technology aren't hypothetical. They've already grounded the nation. In March 2026, failures forced the FAA to halt all air traffic to Washington, D.C.'s major airports twice in 1 month. In 2025, telecom outages crippled Newark Liberty International, causing cascading delays nationwide. The most dramatic failure came in 2023, when the NOTAM system crashed, grounding all domestic flights for hours and stranding millions. Each incident exposed the fragility of the system and the high cost of inaction. These aren't minor glitches, they're symptoms of deep decay. Outdated hardware, obsolete software, and lack of redundancy are recurring culprits. The message is clear. The foundation of American air traffic control is crumbling. Only a complete overhaul can restore reliability and trust.
The truth is,
Technology isn't the only problem. There's also a severe shortage of certified air traffic controllers. The job is demanding, and the FAA can't train new controllers fast enough to replace retirees. Many facilities are understaffed, forcing long hours and mandatory overtime, leading to fatigue and burnout. Fatigue increases the risk of errors, and the stress makes recruitment even harder. Outdated systems require more manual work, compounding the pressure on controllers. Modernization must address both technology and people. Automation and better tools can ease workloads and attract new talent. Investing in the human element is as crucial as upgrading hardware. A safer, more efficient system depends on both. Despite the challenges, real progress has been made with the initial $12.5 billion investment. Nearly half of all legacy copper wiring has been replaced with high-speed fiber optics, strengthening the system's backbone. Over 270 radio sites now use digital technology, improving communication reliability. New surface awareness systems at 54 airports give controllers a real-time view of ground traffic, reducing runway risks. 17 control towers have transitioned from paper flight strips to digital systems, cutting errors and improving coordination. These upgrades may seem basic, but they're essential building blocks for the next phase. The foundation is being laid for advanced software and automation. The FAA has a clear plan and is delivering results. The initial investment is paying off, paving the way for transformative change. The next step is scaling these improvements nationwide. Hardware upgrades are vital, but software will drive the real transformation. The new vision is predictive, not just reactive, using data to anticipate congestion and disruptions before they happen. Advanced software will analyze airline schedules, weather, airport capacity, and real-time aircraft positions to optimize traffic flow. It will identify bottlenecks up to 45 days in advance, allowing the FAA and airlines to prevent gridlock before it starts. Time-based flow management will calculate the best times for departures and arrivals, reducing delays and fuel waste. Automation will handle routine tasks, freeing controllers to focus on critical decisions. This synergy between human expertise and artificial intelligence is the heart of NextGen. With these tools, the FAA can finally move beyond the limits of 20th century infrastructure. With the requested $10 billion, the FAA's roadmap targets completion by the end of 2028. The plan includes installing 5,000 new high-speed network connections using fiber optics, satellite, and advanced wireless tech. 27,000 new digital radios will replace aging analog equipment, improving voice and data communications. 612 state-of-the-art radar systems will provide more accurate, reliable tracking and reduce maintenance needs. Combined with satellite-based surveillance, these upgrades will give controllers an unprecedented view of the skies. The new hardware will support advanced software and automation, creating a truly modern air traffic control system. This roadmap turns modernization from an abstract goal into concrete deliverables. By 2028, if funded and executed, the U.S. will have a resilient, capable, and advanced aviation infrastructure. The vision is clear, the tools are within reach. Now, it's a matter of commitment. The $10 billion request is more than a budget line. It's an investment in safety, efficiency, and America's future. Recent failures and delays are warnings. The system is running on borrowed time. The modernization plan addresses every level, from replacing copper wires to deploying intelligent software. Passengers will see fewer delays and cancellations. Airlines will gain efficiency. Controllers will have better tools and less stress. The benefits ripple across the economy and restore U.S. leadership in aviation. The cost of inaction is far greater than the investment required. By acting now, we build a safer, more reliable sky for generations to come. The overhaul isn't just fixing what's broken, it's forging the future of flight. The time to act is now. America's skies deserve nothing less.